Hello, welcome to the video number 2 of Azure Administrator Certification AZ-104 Exam Preparation Guidance. So here in this video, I'll talk about the lab work. How can we start, with the lab, with the first lab on the Microsoft portal either or within your free trial subscription. So in that video one, I have discussed that you can learn the modules over the Microsoft Learn portal free of cost. There you can enable the reading option also. So there are a lot of things to read. If you are not interested to read those, then you can just open that in the reading mode and then it will speak it out for you. Once that is done, one finished module is finished, then at the end of that exercise of every modules, probably one, two, or three, etc. number of exercises are there in the modules. So for many of the exercises you will be able to complete it on the Microsoft Learn portal itself, but for some of the exercise you will need Azure subscription. And in the last video I have explained that you can achieve with the free trial of Azure subscription, where you get $200 of credit, and within that you will be able to complete everything. So just few requisites before you start with the lab works. So you can just try, or spin when you're ready with the learn, and when you feel that you can take up the lab work, then you can go ahead and spin up your subscription. And make sure that after subscribing you open the Azure portal in the incognito mode on Chrome or on any on Edge, in another window. Then it just to make sure that your progress on the Azure portal does not glitches with your Microsoft Learn portal or any other portal which is open on the Chrome or Edge. So it's a safe to open in the incognito mode. So once that is open and once you have taken the subscription, then you can see details of your subscription. Mostly when you get the free subscription for the learning purpose of the $200 credits, it will name as subscription 1. So once that is taken, the first step would be, the within the prerequisites, a couple of tools which you need to download, which which will be required in the upcoming modules or lab. So one is the Visual Studio Code, VS Code. You can download it from the Microsoft official portal. Once that is downloaded, you can install that. The second tool which you need to download is Azure Storage Explorer. Once that is downloaded, you can link that both of the tool with the Azure account within your subscription. To link that, you can, when you download the Azure Explorer, it gives you option how to sign up. So make sure that there you sign in with the Azure account, the same Azure account by which you are making progress on the Microsoft Learn portal or doing the lab work. So once that is finished, the very first of your lab would be, just baby step. It would be like just create your Azure resource group, RG. To create any resource group in the official Azure portal, make sure that you follow certain naming convention given by the or recommended by the Microsoft, so that it's easier to find and search in the later stage. So for my subscription, within the subscription, when I created the first resource group, I had created as like uh, resource group RG AZ-104 hyphen identity. Since the identity is the first lab, so you create there that identity. So previously I talked about these two applications. So here is the uh, Azure Storage Explorer, and which will be linked with your Azure subscription. And the second tool which you need to download in the prerequisite section itself is as Visual Studio Code. So once these are finished, then you can create the Azure resource group. Once that is finished, then you can just take a pause, because it's just to understand the dashboard first. When the Azure portal, everything like how it looks like, and everything is done, then on the day first itself you can do a very important thing, which is the cost management and the billing, and the budget. So for the day first, you can, when you can, on the top search bar, you can just type either budget or resource or cost management. There, you can allocate the budget for the $20 or $10, etc., for the day one or day two, etc., so you can manage the cost for your within your subscription. So in that way it would be easier and better for you to manage your overall work, or your overall lab within your $200 of the subscription which you have gotten for free. The one more important thing which I would like to highlight here is, make sure that you are following the official GitHub learning path or for the lab which is provided by Microsoft. So in one tab you can just open that Microsoft GitHub lab work. So there, lab 01 till lab 0x, everything is mentioned. You can just follow that up. And on another tab you can open the Azure portal where you can perform your lab works. So yeah, this was for the lab 01 day 1. In the next video we will explore other lab and we will do another thing on the Azure portal. Thank you.